You might find a leakage in the cover gasket. If you face such a problem, proceed with the following steps. First, release pressure from the system by closing the inlet main valve and opening any downstream valve. Make sure the pressure gauge is on 0. Proceed to repair the gasket leakage as follows. Open the cover clamp using the multi-tool. Take out the damaged gasket and replace it with the new one. Reassemble the filter cover. Reassemble the filter cover clamps and lock. Proceed to pressurize the system. Now check the new gasket to make sure it is performing well under pressure.